Guys, we're in our brothers and cousins. It's team versus team. I can't be that loud. Sorry if you can't hear me. Guys, we're my brothers. I'm with my cousin on my team. Sorry if you can't hear me. Let's go. Yeah, go. Come on. Shh.
See that light that made all thing? That's my ears paint.
We're in a abandoned shed. Okay, ready? I'm turning my flashlight off. Go.
Shit, we have fire.
Dang it. Missed. Hurry, go.
Where's our bullets at?
There's one. There's yours. Where's mine?
Did we shoot them?
No, I missed. I don't care. I still got 2 anyways.
It went right there.
Okay, give me it.
I'm gonna take out first card.
Okay, go.
Go back. Retreat.
Fuck. It's hard to reload this with only one hand. Dang it, my scope's coming off. Dang it. Sorry, guys. Let's go.
You want that when I want to play? Or you want that when I want There's none!
Yes, I got you.
We're not playing! Oh.
Okay. Guys, we're gonna go hide.
No one has my flashlight.
Ah! Good shot.
Sir, are you okay?
Yeah, no. Revive me. Okay, good.
Just have it.
Feel better.
Hey, give me my apple.
Can I
We
use...
only need this when we're running out of bread.
Okay, I need to find my bullet. I tried to shoot him, but I missed. Okay, where'd it go?
Right there. Sir. Sir, I can hear this.
He's right around the corner, guys, I think. Nobody.
Eric, listen, stop. We can't play no more. We have to have with 4 people.
So, guys, everybody stopped playing, and we couldn't finish the NERF WAR. So I'll try to finish it maybe another day. So, see y'all guys later.